a big decision for me to leave lucrative contracts up in the European continent to come back here. See, I've been missing from the criteria of being selected for 4 years. So I came in 2016 after the 2015 World Cup. After that, I went missing for 4 years, so I missed the 2019 World Cup again. And that's a bit hard. I mean, next year is very important for me. So time is not coming around or waiting for anyone. Only thing that I could do for them is to help them. I mean, I wish that this was around about 9 years ago, because it would be a good experience for me. And I always tell them, like, most of the time, I'm grateful for the opportunity to be here and to see this development, but I wish it was there back then. There were so many talented rugby players that have come through the rank, but without proper facilities such as this and proper training, they didn't actually come out the way that I'm fortunate to be around here now. I've been watching from Wales and I'm watching the boys playing. It brings so much pride back into the nation. I think we're so used to sevens, we're so used to the Flying Fijians coming occasionally to play, but we have a Super Rugby team, because the Super Rugby has been playing so close around us. We've even seen Crusaders come and play, Chiefs come and play, but we've never actually had a team. We've always been saying, if we had a team there, something would have changed. But now we have a team in. I mean, that's what people like. Everything, something new makes people excited. I mean, seeing the fans cheering and everything last year is suddenly something that you're so excited for it, and to play. I mean, I've been playing all my games, especially in my professional level, away from family. They'll be fortunate to watch me on the television, but other than that, they wouldn't even watch me at all because the time difference. But now to play in front of them and representing the Ndrua is something important, I would say be passionate about. Yeah.